Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain the Beacon Credit Union app review in order to check if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The Beacon Credit Union app lets you check balances, view your transaction in the meantime, transfer fund, deposit check, and even pay bills. And you also have the chance to manage your debit card, and it also offers alert quick balance view plus credit score monitoring. User reports a lot of issues, starting from login issues, slow performance, and the occasional glitches with mobile deposit or transfer. So if you are Beacon member, the app is worth downloading for basic banking, but double check the important transaction details before making a transaction. And that's it. Hope you find the video helpful. If you do, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more app review. And that's it.